I have a quick video for you guys here today. It's going to be my top 5 WordPress plugins.
You're a phony!
For number 5, I have Smosh Image Compression and Optimization. First, we have Smosh Image Compression and Optimization. It has over 1 million active installations, which is really good. That's a lot. And 5-star rating. Very few low ratings. And what it does is it optimizes and compresses your website, like the title says. But the underlying factors there are that it really speeds up your website so that it improves your search engine optimization. And this is just a really easy way to do it, unless you want to do individual compression, like using a different tool or something. But I prefer to just do it the easy way and just download something like this. It's free, so you have nothing to lose. For number 4, I have W3 Total Cache. Kind of like a all-in-one solution for caching and content delivery, and it really just makes your website a lot faster, especially for revisits, because then your user is caching your images and a lot of the stuff that's been loaded once already. And with a content delivery network, the CDN, you can kind of serve your information to different places across the planet a lot more quickly by using those like remote servers in different places. Now we have over 1 million active installations, a good review. Just it's 4.5. There's a few bad reviews, but I think that's probably because it's kind of more difficult to use than, like, let's say like Super Cache or some of the other ones. But with that, it comes with a lot more utility, I think. This one's also free. I'll definitely recommend using this one, W3 Total Cache. For number 3, I have Yoast. Yoast is pretty much given for any WordPress website. It makes SEO so easy. It's, as you can see, it's used on over 5 million active installations. That's 5 million websites that trust it. And the reviews are great. I mean, it's a pretty simple plugin. For this one, the free version should probably work for you unless you really need some kind of support, because that's all that the paid version gives you is extra support. For number 2, I have Elementor. It really makes WordPress development so much easier and faster. And a lot of people hate on page builders because I don't know, they're afraid of their jobs being taken away or something. But really, for 90% of websites, a page builder is fine. And I chose Elementor because they update all the time. I love their widget blocks that you can use globally across your whole WordPress site. So, and the templates are great too. As you can see, the ratings are amazing, used on over 1 million websites. It's I actually own the pro version of this, and it gives me a lot more functionality. Like I can do like posts with within blocks, which if you used it, you'd understand. But it's just so many different things you can do with this. It's as close to getting a completely custom site as you can without going to code, I think. And then you can even edit CSS individually in the blocks. So you can pretty much do whatever you want. It starts at $49. Sometimes there's a sale, so you can catch it on sale if you can. And for number 1, I have Progressive WordPress. And this one really surprised me, and this is why I chose it as number 1. It's really, really like mind-blowing, because we're going through like a progressive web app, kind of like Revolution right now, and it really brings websites to the next level. Because before everyone would use apps, and that's how you get the customer retention and like support for people. But now you can push notifications to people's phones offline, like, and update people's things, and they can use your website offline. And this makes it so much easier to do that. You just have to install this plugin, and they can automatically download your website to their homepage if they want on their phone, and they can access it whenever, and it'll update whenever it connects to the internet. You can see here that there's not that many people using it yet, 1,000 plus active installations, but the reviews are still really good. It has one signal compatibility, so you can even use that to help with the categorizing the push notifications. And I highly recommend it. I really can't wait to test this out in more of my websites, and I recommend it to everyone. Well, thank you so much for listening. Code Phony out.
You're a phony!